Hello, my name is Katerina Tavares and I am graduated of Batania State University where I earned a Bachelor of Industrial Technology major in Electrical Technology. I am applying of a position of electrical maintenance technician because I am passionate about keeping electrical system running smoothly, safely, and efficiently. During my time at the university, I developed a strong foundation in circuit analysis, control system, and hands-on work maintenance. I also hold a NC2 certificate and I am a registered master electrician, which proves that I have the technical experience that needed in industrial knowledge for high standard maintenance. Let me show you some activities I have done in the university. Thank you for taking the time to watch this. I would love the opportunity to discuss how my background and skill can contribute to your team. Please free to reach out to me via email or phone. I look forward to the possibility of working together. Bye!